PKs. Step up onto the toe on the top of the count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Run towards your left hand, looking over your left elbow. It leads you to your spot. Find your spot, left foot front. Slowly switch the arms. Pirouette to the right with the right foot lifting. Lower it into a lunge. Arms come to a third arabesque position. Pull back onto this foot, so this foot has no weight on it. All your weight's on your right foot. Take the arms up, down the body, drawing a line, and take it so that visually this line of the arms is straight. Take this arm up and over, dropping the left shoulder. Open everything like this to the side. As the leg comes in, you flip over the elbows. As the leg goes out, you finish that écarté pose. Gently come to a squared off second arabesque. Through coup de pied, the left foot comes with a plie, while the arms spiral up. Again, take the right arm down the body while the left arm lifts to a long pose. Again, lifting slightly, take the left arm over the right with the left shoulder dipping. Prepare yourself for PK. Step at least here. Some will need to step all the way over to there and come into a PK turn. Let's start that again from here. And PK, turn, step close. Pas de chat through coup de pied, arms do this. Pas de chat through coup de pied again. Glissade. PK, soutenu. Little open with the arms as you drop onto the right heel. And again, PK, soutenu. Then we're going into our balancé. 1. I'm going to come back over here for you to see. You balancé. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. On tournant. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And again through coupe there. 2, 3. All right, you got this. Make sure to go over any parts that you're struggling with a bunch of times and then skip the other parts. Thank you.